eye nam swale the konakpanya moda menye de mefion yo ayaye bomlo ayaye bomlo the konakpanya moda menye de mechio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo ameda evi metena holo ode ameda evi
ayo miabanya salome dota flachele dumochuchu mata nyewezo avaka va evenigba sports pa ya vala oji ke gamadebe mi ahe egbe first sports wana akọ avenomi ke donc be gbenye fejinu adie pen keke aton le akpefe pe blave vo adie me ke enye Godwin Azedu ano eziajinami wona enye evenigba sport ke nyereka nyama wakio nyefe amepepe le gbonye ike awokino ke ma common popone be ento ade edokui afia
konye nye hose
yeah na ese ko kwanya be o hose yeah enya me ka pere nyami awo egbeto enya me kene bi le sports pe nyajojoro me ale gbegbe enya wona achito tami agedeme akpo ale ke wona oko for the kude Ghana to come play better to come see ale ke wona oko le ejimi na don't give what ka for wona wa o to mi ajivo le nkeke o me adande me gbe kwa ke wona de ojego menyama don't give Ghana national team the Blasters of Ghana ha elano etome alo le gbeji le FMF what ka for wona oji ta le matidimo ma ahogbele nyame pupanu ike mi agede wona oji pata. Okay. Jose. Wizo.
Yo.
Allo. Afiyo de.
Oh, afiyo follow.
Yeah, they go follow. Akone mawo. Okay. Yo. Okay. Abale ke me dongo gbene na donki be Blasters ono gbeji le bladagbe ke nevai. Ike ofo friendly match avec le Wolves. Fait duko allo Wolves. Aha. Fe abu fuha ike 1-1 yenye nu ike neje le hobefleme aha nenya be elenkole hobefleme akobe Destiny National Team enya ma ike ne doko alo yenye abu fuha ike ne doko dogbo aha afi the 10 minutes ike hobefleme nu fa afi Wolves va he age leke kopo hobefleme.
Oh, ale mokoko la magloba de kakwiwa ojagba owo tosinu.
Okay.
Le kene gobe aje goma. Enya na amagide obia ma magloba o goblia ejebe na nyato Blaster the national soccer national team ejebe na ome waduji. Ne monyo kra ageve.
Okay.
Abe ne moko Blaster nyapo squad window amado ye mi hebe one squad me umele me kaka na mo squad di do la sinye be o game ya je be mi on nya chili eje mi adoji kaka ko le game ko ma ba ko be wala baba jam ye akoy ko no to hada aso bi akobe le ko o le bolo ko ma akobe o gbele age ko le
yeah
ko o gbele
yeah
eta he ma febe mistakes yo le ma eje be na mi akoko cha na o me
oh okay
na
akwedo
next time abe nkekade kamegalim
Yeah.
World Cup
Oh, okay.
eta na mi yigbedia ejebe mistakes yo na mi wo ye me kade ji ha be eye me kwede me ha be le friendly match yo na mi fo ma embe da ko mi fo mi akpo like nyaal mi ko la tenu
Okay, yeah.
ako face World Cup
Yeah.
eta le groupe on a pas groupe ma team yo le ma team pocho
Yeah, Panama, Croatia, and then England.
England like England those teams me team pocho
Oh, no.
me team pocho eta here be e je be blaster mi akọ enu akọta de etefe mi akọkọ be mi afa team a eleteji
Okay.
eleteji ye me here na full support ha elecho mi abo
Okay. Akpe. Kasinyade alo etatinyade kude Black Stars player do ikemo le gbeji na mi o. Na nyabe elenku squad ikene nyabe head coach Carlos Queiroz you are akpobe nyabe player donc ya do a umanya ma ikene no squad mo do no injury o drop do abe Mohamed Kudus le injury na make Alexander Djiku ha le injury Mohamed Salisu onye defender so ikene le Messi wo ha no injury le game mamade de mi feel player mo be impact alo over absent.
Oh yeah, me feel me miss.
Okay.
Me miss of impact lemon.
Okay.
Because no bomb Melford as a man. As me Pate ewa tosino. Kakane Kudus. Magbona Kudus de le game on ma. Magba akwa Kudus nye play na le game most of the focus la energy
Okay.
at least la a short na.
At least player the
Carlo Eve.
Yeah.
Hema hala na like players or other players are dominate le for the genuine.
Okay.
Yeta me miss agba dede ya yo anyebe ma gboro
okay.
Because Blaster I'm so can squad ever out the demelema ma probably most of the youth or most of the supporters they are very proud in the but no matter what we me miss me miss kaka Kudus ko omoyo me na febe different thing no kaka injury ko leta eta webe omoyo la kaka mi like batola be onuka no I recover no have back Blaster miss ye me kade be a to full support ha ko me akono the kapio oyo me wajoyo ha anu ayi jinwe.
All right. Miada no probleme kokoko. Na lebe elenko ma akwabe first half la ay ko je ho gome le minute ban to ko gede minute blave va toma akwabe pressure enyanu ikene no mieji alegbegbe ke ma wo manu fefe ye be mi ma ho ado alo mo do agene mi o ma ko abota ko fwane mi abe goalkeeper Lawrence Atesigi enya ma ikene no ageme mi le hovle akpagbanto ike pull out a strong saves ikene webe mi ten no hovle me va dasne hovle akpagbanto ko no le amayo ikene no gbeji le akpagbanto abe party yenya ma ikene no gbeji sorry Thomas Partey pele ope Sibo Jordan Ayew and then Fatau Isawaku yaha eno hovle pe akpagbanto le hovle akpagbanto ike enu ba gere mi ajide de mi agbe player o ike no gbeji na mi wo we na be enu gere mi ajine na ma alo mi meten po mo no ike afo abo abale ike Ghana nyinya na be Ghana fo na abo le na ball afoma amolo no gbeji le fe hovle akpagbanto ye na be enu wejine na ma
Apo le abo fofo ma le abo fofo some changes you ke awo eju na le nkuda nwunye e makare dibe e ma motungo gboro ha be le friendly match you ke mi fo ma e de ko mi fo mi akoppo mi afo dada ko so the changes you na coach ewo play technical team of your owa okoppo eju na strong no chume changes you know your owo happy pressure le yo tia ejebe no akonye and then ejebe na tonku place you go deleme
okay
happy o de maybe some key player like
Yeah,
Odiko,
yeah.
pressure ba.
Okay.
They have to. Ejo na lang kude hemam.
Uh-huh.
Gake and the kale bonye magro konye be. Apo Ghana de. Nemile match from ko. Or changes at the ko. Pressure ba the Ghana. Dia. Hey, coach ejo na lang kude fe nu emunya because net menya nyawo ko wa be nonye. Nonye because nyenkwano jibe kwesi apia kwele toto kwesi apia nuka some changes ado wache bina wa muda be no changes ho nuka jo anu me place abe midfielder ble
Okay.
ko echo defender be
Okay. Okay.
eta enya kwela sinya kunyebe place yo ule dominating ula bagbajem afio odoleme then all of a sudden la akobe kane game one be awa go no be awa pressure vale Ghana
Yeah.
eje na len kudem na len kudem go odedo
Okay. Le akoma moja ma ayijiale alabe le hoble penu wa changes ikena be amegede raise concern alo ole enufun kude changes man ole gbogbo ha be changes ikene jo aye na be o equalize agenemi ikenye Abdul Baba Rahman odole Gideon Mensah ko baba fe ike le fa paji a ye agietofa. Do you think there will be substitution ikene kose wo egbela?
oh yeah nyama attack bro be egblan le ga ko nyama ma friendly match de ko mi fui mi akpo level was substitution kaka mega tebe friendly match ta ye was substitution kaka nde kan Joseph Pistol mi nyama edo afi mo ye
Oh, mi gegere akpama. Mi gegere akpama.
Because now changes can all eye okpobe pressure vale media at least na ndele waka wojo ma etebi na home na solve na resolve that thing fast as quickly before alabela eye ade kemegale ngona mi na World Cup
Yeah.
eta enya kuima la sinema block kuima.
Okay, afimia agere squad ikene mi have head coach Yona this year 2026 World Cup mabio le mi aba coach papajere akpobe gba otoado yenye amaikene no the senior national team no alo aboda no afi ovanye le eyi ku ya demegbe ko nala alo ho nala bubu ikenye Carlos Queiroz le hoble ikena ofu alo hoble gbanto ikena ofu ekode de povu to to le eya pele otoado alo miabe henala yeye ya pele kokoto ikena jo vu to to le o pa pele ye doma
Oya wo toto leme.
okay nuka nya vu to to ikena po
Wo toto leme. Maglo first of all to squad e jihan la
Okay.
wo toto ba.
okay
To squad ye na po for de jihan kana de ka kwo gade for de ji. Wo bla abu fo bieji. Very awful ya kata me kwe. Eye ekpale guys or allo de ka kwo o dominate. Kama ko mi fa first friendly match ke mi fwa. Amasia le mi fa de ka kwo o le awe shipo abotana be o jagba ga ke pass se for mele yi mo.
okay
Bambe ku na ele ku de mi
Yeah.
fa first friendly match.
Okay.
Abe mi fa pass se magba be weak pass ku na mi ele. Ye ma we be kama ayi na egu against us.
Okay.
Eke mi lose.
okay that was the previous friendly match
Yeah.
ikemyepo le otoado fe touch okay
Kafe ameva. Akobe kameva. De ka yo ojagba.
okay
Kaka substitution ke no wo eba na be pressure vale meje na o chomon popo he ko me.
the last minute part of the
Yeah.
game okay
Kafe over ko agehe. Eba na like last time gede be nenye alle ni atwa ko yamenyo. Kala wo tutu egala coach ye kula otoado. Iganya be ako otoado di. Nya to mi to iga ke. Aka ko Ghana ne kale nyebe ma dok ma bloko be mi to mi to a me je mi nwale.
okay
Gake mega inenya gake last time I said kono unya mega sabo unne letter beno akpede
Yeah. One appointment be wakpede World Cup kene gbona FIFA connection ke wa scout talents across the globe. Yenye appointment kene fan akpele amagabu adon awo edoma. Yenye appointment kene fan.
Ye ga kokoda apo ovutute ga apo squad coach yo.
Okay.
Couple discipline the match. I don't know if I think this is the final squad is sending to World Cup.
Oh yes. Yes, final squad.
Enyalo.
Okay, mi gagele mi agara pama. Ke o defuna kwa mi be enupola o egapotole Evenyigba TV fe ya vala jike wona enye Evenyigba Sports ike le mi agbodum. Mi le enyamodrun ku de Black Stars fe friendly call for play Wolves fe duko ha enye nu ike madrun mi le. Ke bebi enye bede le friendly match ike mi fo play Wolves. De mi aten akọ mutete ikemio nyekpo le hovuma me de mi aten akwa the World Cup anye bebie de mi aten akọ World Cup friendly match for hovubli ikemio fu alo abo ikemio fu ale mi ko fu abo de mi akwene no ma akọ the World Cup alo de kwe nie warm up nie do kwe nya kpola be de fourth kaele mi enu alo gae mi fudada avale ike mia adomie do kedo ha aten akọ ofe gbedasi akọ adomie gbo donc mi le Facebook mi le Facebook Evenyigba Sports Evenyigba TV mi le Facebook Evenyigba TV ta akọ aten akọ ofe gbedasi akọ adolami le Facebook mi ahli no ta mi agada squad ike Carrascores release na FM 2026 World Cup mi akọ squad akọ adalami gbo maybe amagada o me nya alo me se squad ike ne mi be head coach yo Hena FM World Cup wanao. Ta 26-man squad enya no ikene coach delego. Amabanto ikene le agbanaji alo le goalkeeper kwa akpaji ya Benjamin Asare enya amaike efenko le agbanaji no makanye Lawrence Atizigi iha efenko le agbanaji Joseph Anan iha efenko le agbanaji kele defenders wo kwa akpaji alo megbopolo kwa akpaji ya Baba Abdul Rahman yenye amaikene fenkole agbanaji no make Gideon Mensah Marvin Senaya Alidu Siedu no make Abdul Mumin fenkole agbanaji Jerome Opoku Jonas Ajete pele Kojo Opo Pepre no make Derek Lukusin yenye amaike fenkole agbanaji le domopolo akpaji ya Elisha Owusu Thomas Pate Kwesi Sibo Augustine Buaki nanama kenye Caleb Yenchi nanama ken Abdul Fatau Isawaku ke Kamaldin Sulemana ye happen call agbanajile dumopolo akpaji kale America adu age alole attaque sofa akpaji Christopher Bonsuba ye happen call agbanajino no make NS Nwama Antoine Semenyo Brandon Thomas Asante no make Prince Kobena Edu ke Inaki William play Jordan Ayu wanya America ne phone call agbanaji hana FM hobebele ta squad mawe nyaba hena la yo nyama ke amayo kamele squad mo wa imam Gbedungo Mohamed Kudus Mohamed Salisu Jiku ya wuye kake injury yenu ike never defune ina ba ko Derek Lukusin ko dade tefwe ke Joseph Pinson abareke edibe ya fonu chunga fi me ya Joseph Pinson enya America FM ko me ba jera agbanaji o ke Derek Con America nele abudam na Colon for abu for haike never for adenemi afi amegede bube o FM ko ano agbanaji ke FM ko meten van no agbanaji o ike ha overdrop ile akamagoji le squad ye kene Carrascores release debube miatema ko squad ye ava ko wo mutefele USA
oya lenyon popon ma squad ima mutungo ko players so alo de capital lo jebe no ayo gake eyo kafe injury
Okay.
va we be umetawo me
Oh, okay.
umetang va de squad un que mama va attaquer so quoi play que le film ma gbo ma funu kudem kwenye Antoine Semenyo.
Oh, okay.
Because nowadays like the guy is actually
Yeah, performing.
performing. That's
He's nice.
yeah, because now that's my baby yenye my star.
Oh, yes.
My baby yenye star because
Nyoma a vle crowd.
Yeah, yenye
Ala
my
de
star.
ne be lenkule le gbeta du koma me ke pomi le fia. Yenye could sorry, Antoine Semenyo.
Dem Inaki William Kode.
Yeah, Inaki William le squad them.
Okay.
Inaki William le.
Antoine Semenyo. You kata me pon mi ke wo FC Manchester City.
Yeah.
Or league. Look at the beautiful goal.
The FA Cup.
FA Cup
Yes.
Fantastic goal kana auto.
Yeah.
All over the social media. It's
true.
there.
Yeah.
And everyone is praising Blaster or everyone is praising
The boy.
The boy.
Yeah.
And actually the guy is a dominating fan.
Oh, okay.
Kaka ako the problem here the car about to just say ne ole dominate over clubs so me.
Yeah.
Not by the national
Level, the national team
the
ala.
national team Omagano dominate Omagano tepe one in you.
Okay.
Eric me affected. The same thing, the same applies to Mohamed Kudus. Kudus ano agbagba jam le club that can never national team member. Akwabe ko edidi.
Aka mo ko be le mi be player yo kene le gbeta. Ama e kene nye bo va national team me ike jana agbagba yenye Mohamed Kudus.
Yeah. Kudus jana agbagba. Kaka one thing, okay. Kudus jana agbagba do. Kaka ena nyanku jenya daji. Pate.
Oh, okay.
Pate madun people will tell you Pate la asna. Look at how the guy is actually doing work. I can never go. Then as a Kobe coach club never mega oni mega wale. Then Gake national team yo. Like national yo. What I like a country I jam now me. I call for Jimmy.
Yeah.
I would go na Blaster.
Yeah.
Blaster. Yet 26 man squad ke miapa coach new coach you are to nana kamele awofia ko damele
Okay.
nana kamele awofia ko damele because squad there am solely am sama susunya ba o me
Okay.
no yo
Okay. Abe amosole de bube amodo le ika no squad ma fi mole moa.
yeah Joseph Piston
Joseph Pinson.
I nyatafanya guy come you are because I don't know the reason why they didn't call him.
Okay, le akpama nenya be lenkulo akobe Joseph Pinstala wing guy. Le winger I operate na to the right side.
Yeah.
Right side, both right side and then left side.
side.
But Elona operating to the right side.
Yeah.
That the right side I play ikono yole gama enes nuama bele fatao isawako. The bube le player ba ma vie dumede wa drop a day.
Yeah, no drop it the car.
Okay. Player ka bube wa drop le. No, because this is me bube fatao isawako la enya make ne jabagbale bube na Leicester. Do be Leicester enya make ne ide relegation. Aka nenya be elenkule fatao for impact le Leicester wa akpobe enya make ne je agbagba alegbegbe eko Leicester City team de atata ike wole won koyom alegbegbe nenu makenya Nuama to go be Nuama injury
Yeah.
for almost the season injury aka season e wonu matwebe is it 30 or 35 minutes ekunya nu ike no ofu le for abofo hamele season me aka iko over friendly match ikemefo iko kwevama akwefe impact akwe ejabagba look at how he hold the ball from the midfield to the attack and he enya make the cost that goal after score
Yeah.
ta lenye bonya mapebe ko senya mi keta oyela to be menya amekene no gbejifu abu na mi alegbegbo kakara akwe ko sela ekpo na neleme afiwe ka nenye be aglobe okay ejebe ne drop America now le am vacant le position ma fuma ekpo maybe make blo start at now and ni tita mo be ko shewela le gbo wori ameka bube ekobe what wa drop le that side you can work Joseph Pinster according.
Okay, now Joseph Pinster. But anya gba nko ma tibi na Joseph Pinster like every club so far but a poor agbagba ke jole.
Oh yeah, he's doing well. He's doing well.
Mi kata mi be never blaster. Mi kata mi kwari o ko efejime.
Oh, okay.
Kono go from the blaster.
Oh yeah. Ele akpama la mi ma tenu agbe akpama alo argue akpama. He gave his all to the team. Aha. Aka nyebe bi nyebe de ameka bube wa drop legama ika wa copy akoda legama.
Oh, like le enyanya no popo no amagwe ejebe wawe afi aka so far as eyo at the hope.
Okay.
Okay,
because the left side la akobe what do we call it? Sulemana, Kamodin Sulemana play Bonsoba. Wanya make le operate into that side. Tanebe elenfulenwa akobe that side and all those guys are very young.
Yeah.
The view katanele those side la ule young. Ike maybe what them are built blaster around them la it will help us. So lenyem kunu popoma because Joseph Pinster is almost getting old, like Elechichi.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So let's give the opportunity to the young guys. Though he deserves to be there. Apart from those players, player ike woyo ike mo pobe ejebe no dilemma. Yekunye Sulemana let that left wings.
Okay. So now eje mi lenkule hair. Let me buy me local. Like nyeto.
Yeah.
How many players like
okay,
almost my brother Benjamin Asare, right?
Yeah, Benjamin Asare.
Benjamin Asare. But we have a lot of the youngs, stars.
It's true.
But
do you think the players we have at the local side, the player you can le local teams they will be what them are compete. Okay, now let me ask you, which of the player you can coach you eka bube a drop ako local player ako dalegamo.
Oh, that yeah. Benjamin Asare.
Now, let Benjamin Asare one. Let performance. Total make over Black Stars. I'll work over Black Stars. Akbobe enya make neza opportunity ko kone.
Yeah, of course.
Exactly. And before the release of the squad, after we release squad here, we your local players so we can never play Mexico. Mexico. Let's say is it last 3 weeks. The local players who you are le eiko year odo agoba mavunemi.
Yeah.
So they called those local players for a reason. When your local player mo let's swadeta. Nenebe ede jabagba me kadejibe ano squad them. And nenebe ede deserve ano squad them.
Yeah,
ta enyele nyegbonya nyemo pebe local player like deserve. No, for let's squad him half male. Yes, and you must the local player. Look, Midzibemia Ava one tefe le USA Mexico. Everyone in your baby on tephone. Ejobemia build that the team. To go back coach come here, many of them you coach have never built name. It's just a temporary job given to him.
No, the milk have never built.
Yes, because look, first of all, coach
now who laid the foundation now?
Look, and any time I global many the milk coach have never built Timonia, but circumstances allow to the coach of hiring. Any konya otoadwa would di amade about $1. See, ike wa promile World Cup or nomeko. others let them ike wa di ametotonto akoda to ike wa build team eta me coach menye de mi hwe benka wa build team de ko mi never let Doras nemi le World Cup one woman ta my global squad ike no yo when you squad that ike me I think I build team around them. So it's true. Time you the local player they can deserve. Those are the players we have for now.
Okay, the only thing right now, and yeah, my bro, a great man to that players you me so far, coach you, let me call ya. Now, nothing have a full support call. Now, local players who like foreign players who not make you can feel like better. Call now your hope. Okay, now. We have our own, only one in the midst of which is Benjamin Asare. Yes. And I think he is the first goalkeeper or the first.
Okay, no matter whether you your first choice or second choice, it's a new coach. You can never hold on. In FIFA wa examine. That the friendly match me ofwa akwabe artist gienya make no agame. Le oble banto, le oble apagbanto. Afi Asare vale akpa evelia.
Yeah.
Tami metem agblo make nye starter le goalkeeper for akpaju. Unless that 17th forward afi mi anya make no agmenemi.
Okay. Nyenku ano jibe this player this goalkeeper hey omega yo mola goalkeeper ekene ball in a corner is it goal kick.
Oh okay. Elle ball for le South Africa.
Yeah la. Bebe ni ma goalkeeper ma wodi. I don't know if any of the Blasters coach will try to call him in. Gake nyai maglo konyebe so far as Oyo squad hoko me ko full support call me. Ako Jehovah yume. Kono wo ye hala mechebe wa o me. Aba fedele tafema ejebe no aja agba nui die mi le konyebe mi po kape trophy kwedidi. Trophy kwedidi. Eta je na aja agba abada agba Blaster Africa squad this squad la bi ata o be ako kapa ba fe ga sofu gbogbo alo o ba onuka una prophecy be Blaster wajagba dominate awonuka.
Is it me? I'm one of those people that didn't believe in prophecies, though I believe in prophecies, but I did not believe in prophecies when it comes to like football. Look, Blasters. Now, I feel I win World Cup. Ejebe jajrado arone plero. Though my support Blasters, belango bene. Never me win World Cup. Oh, anya jijonam. Anya jijonam. Kake nyeme believe. Osofu mo prophecies. Ike namo la nyeme believe. Unless it happened before.
Oh. Kakanya jido pula sinya Blaster nya ajagba. Alo nya hokap. Open up pula academy.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's pula academy.
Mele nya salam hose nya make ne le gbogbo febe kakadeji le sebe Blasters atenwa alo Ghana mi atenwa ho kape. Well, I am Jona Messambe Blasters. I hope Ava wonu kunuma. Alabe African team madeke meten wepo. Even semi-finals, it took over so many years before Morocco to get the semi-finals. This year, they miya tengwa Blasters in the finals, and then never see tengwa su eplogia. Eya mawo kwa tengwa. Elabe mawo enka nyagbodi lao do le gbogblobe Blasters mi eklo hoge well ke ma ko nyagbodi ma akwa wojidefo pe eya ha gblofi be Blasters aho eklo ma kwa ko ejidefo na dokunya be well mi atenwa ba wona ne okay me add to the don't you be ele evenyigba tv for ya bolaji ke wona enye evenyigba sport yele gbowodo mi ayiji le inkeke fe ma nyata ka karole vavambe English alors England fait agbonuglao ikenye England FA wonya American le gbogbo nenya be Ghana adogbo le England English players alors England players umo Anasi Thomas Partey le pe kunye be Thomas Partey akobe ocho rape case nyaro lenwu ekene wonene ma ojibe wo no avoid Thomas Partey ike oma Anasi that enya odole yapology obo they are discussing it be wa awe nenya be ele Ghana for affordum alo ele GFA and then the technical directors and then the coach ike enyayo le dodo mekale the English FA the whole nuye won be wa kwa do for alo what the what do for the miape abofo ha alabe nanya be won ne ma na be woman nasi player the kawa akobe anya nu ike agbum le player so and the game aspect too nanya be ele miape agbonuglo afotefe nya kanke atenwa glo ne party
Okay.
alo miabe playing body the players nya ka atenwa glo na alo nu kanke atenwa afi anaji defu ike coin at the game nanya be wa don ha de no kan nke miawo afi a protect Thomas Partey
You, Mr. David, Godwin.
Yeah.
Okay, mata kona le mon popo na kona mba manogo na miajuru. Ye mako akodada ha na abaniba TV kona mba wako komo kona akoda de tefeya gasiaga ma Friday fida miajo sports from 4:30 to 5:30 miako sports ako venao ke le enyama me be enyale court
enyale court
umo wunyano then why are they ke nuka joka wo na avoid Thomas Partey
le Englander magbolbe Partey eno England football ne Arsenal ta England ye eno jole le no makata jojo ma England ye uno afi eno mo wojo. So the quality timber you are like you are there for the blaster like
Ema Ghana blaster mi apede kakwa vovade kenado susu ita elemebe some emotional things it can cause other cause like the courage you have nanuka no see no me agne jake ema Ghana na Ghana GFA na afodo anyile afoma ne obina dele Thomas Partey because no one first of all we like blue how Jemina Partey na dominate the game mama if you didn't take time it's going to affect him. It's going to affect him, so we want a win. We must win that match. Yet that mejebe no anwe de ogleku ne doji mi akola be de wa tenwa no this is the time akonya se dongo kokwa ejem na ome what that for because enya le court right now are they trying to tell us dobena gbenemebe elemebe Thomas Partey e wonuma because enya le court so far as onya le court kokwa no me ata pronounce judgment be eleme alo meleme are they trying to tell us be eni kene Thomas Partey wo alo nyai ka wo chole Partey wudi elema because the matter is still in court. Enya le court ole medru so what is this you can do afi one of maybe the obe Thomas Partey onuka edo alo every case allegedly rape amede eta ne nkeke doji be yo okulu Ghana apo agowa your people so man nas
Partey
mana that means can we Partey one all let they are not appreciating it. Right, enyama obena agbolo mi. Okay, le kana Thomas Partey wono. Bi kata mi kwa gbagba kana Partey jede Arsenal. Eziko wono tefema. Bi kata mi ko no like that country wono above Arsenal. Bi kata mi ko ale Thomas Partey was actually doing well. Because and that time self me your Partey blaster we me your Partey blaster we ke ejile mi ejo gake fifi like wole gbogbobe party because of that rape case nkeke doji bi na for match player de come pom Anas party right now can all the ball for the double party ba ga plan yo
we not avoid handshake.
No, handshake. Baba, handshake is body to body touch, right?
Oh yeah.
So, by then the party level they come got to tell them. Player they come got to tell them. Kake jebe Ghana Football Association, alo DFA. Ejebe no wachode enyama mukaba. Eye no akobe oso enyama afi.
Yeah, vifila enu la.
Maga put any fear.
Yeah, le enyakonyo va ole medru whether they will initiate it alomawe. Can I eventually one made because the first afla like nenyabe who play go majega afi wo nana as alo player wo salute na wo play handshake. The me because of enya economic nenyabe nyatope wo take the action alo wo wa pedem be o no we de me agbe party no bench ikemi aba kwe de game le hopefully akpafele akpele sube nenyabe by all means wojola affect the game allo nenyabe wojona normala all the players no avoid handshake alle problem ya wele baby mama de wako party akodale bench allo all the players wako dem all the players so avoid handshake.
Okay me kare jibe me here yes back there player the anof the obina de go bla kama obiwa sheka amada agbebe.
Oh yeah, I kama yewo jona.
So then let's ignore it. Either obiwa sheko ma sheko party whatever you wanted to do ejebe na wo that's gake mega trade the educremable because these people obina embarrass me ejebe like what they did for alofimi kene me choyi be ma kofu agwa what the lenye me like therefore the command say no la bola for no let the gake enya me talk but the jiko jebe ejebe Ghana GF na to na pobe oko enya ya no okay mega me na ba affect me because Pate is one of the
key players
in the squad ne ma ba affect makbabe adon bo dem bien.
Okay akpe mi banya sala emanye miafo alo nye fe amekwepe Josefe enofo nese ebe le Thomas Partey fe rape case ike England alo English FA ola gbaje fe be you avoid handshake alo you be player so now avoid handshake like Thomas Partey GFA for agbonungura wanya make wo agede make wakpo egbobe yo wo enyama medo nenyabe wa ba johabe wa avoid handshake player wanya make wa to kaba alo wa wo enyama do kaba afi ne wa va alo ho player no wa va agogo me atuleji donc jibe ele Evenyigba Sports Evenyigba TV so Evenyigba Sports TV ka wona enye Evenyigba Sports le mi agbodo mi ayiji echo ikeneva ya akpobe hopefully ado friendly matches ado nye mi kana yiji ale gbegbe ike le okata ma de konyebe wa team abuda ha ojibe ato yo hono epo akọ agede the World Cup World Cup ikena ejibagala USA play Mexico ya akọ yo hono nepo ke Spain wonya ma ike no for 1-1 play Iraq nene makenye France onya me ikene la afọ me ike Ivory Coast vado ekoti o me efo na ike wo khede kalem le ho vraiment ma de no kanke dem wo le fefiemu ale kene ko ko problem
yo kata me ma fonto Ivory Coast France
yeah
yo kata me nya African Cup ikono
African Cup
yeah e pale ka Ivory Coast ja okay our hosting with Alu.
That was the last, the previous one.
Eta magbrother Ivory Coast. Gake nyanyale kude because French speaking country more colonized. Are we retaliating?
Many retaliating.
In football, we have a
Yeah. Akobe France onye make Ivory Coast alo Côte d'Ivoire o modu ojipo ke yanya zigbanto ke Ivory Coast le France jidu ke nukute a amoko na logbejine France du kwa almost all the players they are starting 11 because Kylian Mbappe eno ho remember Olise eno ho remember Thuram Marcus Thuram eno ho remember and all the Rabiot Chouameni, Upamecano, all the Konate, Magdan, all the players, Kundi, player this year, the Okata, player get the Miapo Watem at Jeho, the Gomena France, oh no, remember, Afi, Ivory Coast. Then you make never do alo do Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast. Actually, they prepared.
Oh, okay.
Ojrado Kodo. Ojrado. Be our man. You call it World Cup. But yeah, like I'm going to in Ghana, where France, where man of Bob in Ghana. Or like, I'm bro, like,
I'm a penny no man.
Yeah, because look at the team can be play for friendly match. Like I see that game.
Yeah, was.
Yeah, Ghana. Me actual that game simple.
Okay.
Simple. Okay. Okay. Ali media main name the said I know like Ivory Coast today. Can play France game you can offer. You order you 2.
Yeah, 2-1.
2-1. That one shows that they are actually prepared for the World Cup.
Oh, okay.
But let's get there and let's see what they will do.
Yeah.
You have to do the public. Wow.
Yeah, nya me pebe Ivory Coast awonya make no prepare alegbegbe. Ke de mi aten adale Ghana jihana no ma. De Ghana aten ale France ike aduji alo like wafuye mati because kama nyama po game kama ba po highlights akobe Ivory Coast monya make no relax aglobe France la player don't kill lo bota your abobonanyi ike France na fu abo na nyebe yo abo maybe your afo counter na wa o mo was small ka o fu game me they play the game with them o fu game me passes and enya kwale gbegbe enya kpo me biedo kunya be kemia be Black Star ha de atenwa a perform alia well lenu ye mi kpo nchoa Bladagba mi kpo glimpses of how do we call it? Our head coach, Carlos Queiroz, the glimpses of his football. Near Ubi Abawa, near Kwe, when you over Banto. Never me get a tournament, ma, Nyafa who Banto, Anya Panama, Nyapoleke, one Ava Ayila. Get Spain play Iraq over go to do me 1-1. Yenye can Nigeria Apomaji. The World Cup ikemi ya maga no be aleke onova ike timi ikono honko akwa wonya ma ikene woko dunaji awonye bo dogo small countries ma o zonaji vaina dem ya go eya man on no mawa
no man on no because now football is changing the game because fifiela timi ikene abube team look at this Barcelona and then this team Real Madrid.
Yeah,
you will see those division 1, division 2 teams. They will just come and then even those who are going on relegation self. All of a sudden,
okay.
Recently, make out the name last game you can know for the. You let's forget about it. Game 1, ni makocho mnyebe. Abialene elenye bienve. Demu bube World Cup ano abiale team iko konko uno jiduma wano ninema. No, he's not going to bi mano alimio mi bubeano no lenye nyen popo na maga no because could you imagine Ivory Coast left France being like na no brain as
my host.
Okay, maybe amado wa global this one is just a friendly match wa global a friendly match with no konya jego male kwa because okwo weak point ha no fe be eba job oklo ga ba to work up okay. Maybe 1 hour son to over mistake, and then they will correct it back. Daka, Lenya can be a Timiko Honko, the work up and one of the Anojido out, learning and Popona out.
Oh, okay.
Because the double has never Ghana, we are going to be in England.
Oh, okay. You are going to win England.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Come on, tell. Never nyasala me yiji kamiano never gamahala de dinga kamia akwe kotobeta. Me agale club football where nyadeka evadoji kwa me actually me le ego mesenfia be yama enya maikene ho alo win La Liga player of the season. Do you think he deserves it?
Oh, actually the guy Lamine Yamal ela baba jam alebaba nepo Barcelona team how the young guy kele team wo me e le dominating e ne le ball hala akobe e holesia
yeah
SSA pa the guy magobe e deserve even though the other players this guy over captain there
Barcelona captain.
Yeah, Rafi. Is it Rafi?
Yeah, Rafinha. Eblana boss.
Yeah, Rafinha. Actually, overall na baba jenga. Lewandowski. Lamine Yamal ejagba. Makobe Edizel. Lamine Yamal Edizel.
Okay. Lamine Yamal pe nyamoma akobe enu ikene na oho player of the season, La Liga player of the season. Most take-ons completed. Most take on completed. Febe le player can dribble le season me pa yenka Yamal ewo 133 take-ons 133 take-ons na makanya most successful passes into the box American war passes alo ko abol ne efe hatie le 18 years ma yenye Yamal that is 79 passes completed and makanya big chance created 26 most assists of the season 11 ta Yamala enya make ne deserve it Lamine Yamal enya make ne deserve abaleke nye Collins Ebla deserve alebego ela be so he ko nye 18 years I feel like Jemalia chale the sky is his limit me a to the jik patapata ko me a gama enye ni kene chatrel me England akobe overcome ama adenko dala agbalaji be PFA player of the season PFA Players Player of the Year award te amayokona la agbalaji ike wo deserve ike wa over dumito deka aho abota wo nye amagbanto Ryan Cherky la abofu na Manchester City na makanye Bruno Fernandes ele Manchester United for abofu ha na makanye Erling Haaland ele Man City Gabriel Magalhaes ele Arsenal for abofu ha na makanye David Roya Arsenal to for agelela ke Declan Rice ye hanya amaike ne le agbalaji le amayo domeda maka kobe ejene abota wofo
me lama Salah.
Oh no, Salah balemo
The king ayo
Declan Rice. Yeah,
actually maglaba of kata oje kake okay, mago no kana Declan Rice.
Kobe bebe ayenye ni kene te kabe pele me. Kabe ya kobe Declan Rice enya me kene deserve it. Le bo de Declan Rice e deserve it. Ko ide afomina na badrum alo ata make play no view whether he deserve it or not. Send it to your home. Okay, me benya sala gamenye no ikene chaitre le nyeji ale gbegbe. Ke wona ikene do gbe wa yenye venigba sport le venigba TV pe ya valoji. Ke enyama ikene no eziame le egbe toma. Okay, me benya sala sorry yeah. Melese senfio be message ado ikenye mi never mi ego. Ta mi akweni mi chacha kwa ma apunyata.
Okay, le Facebook le message que va amadebe 1TGH archives ebe great job ebe mi wele
Okay.
akpene ha ebe Ghana players amama kan Ghana players akpena ye Naomi Tini top ebe bravo ebe mi wele eto ye Christiana B ebe amazing yeah Christiana yeah have Ghana will never put us into shame.
Oh, okay.
You can message your car. Yes,
all right. Yeah. Me da akpene amoyo kata ne ko gbeda si ko do mi egbo. Fida gbe wale wi ami aga no mi egbo play Evenigba sports for now. Kana don kibe enyama ikene no ezima. Nyankwenye Azetu Godwin yawo eduji. Ya na nyebe eyom yawo eduji amato now. Ke ama ikene pele munya afi egbeto jefeto zgato a.
Nkwenye Jose
Vleho. Yes. Eka mega tro for mo nupo mo kodale ya fara bubu adekejo. Nano efe nyigba TV. Ala be wona bubu ado dale mi egbo ike wa akodale mi alumi akodale mi egbo. Ta mega tro for mo kodate pa deke crowd. Le fida bo wale wi a yo made na made hane yo no viade na mia ano mi akọ nupo mo bo place be mi akọ efe nyigba sports akọ adare mi agbo. Nke ka na jejina mi. Bye bye.
Mano Messie, Eye Namazwale, Nane Mano Messie, Eye Namazwale.